Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be taking a look at a charger from Kovol. This here is their Charging Mate 120 watt multi-port charger. So inside the box you get the paperwork, which includes the user guide, and you also get a detachable power cord. It is 4.9 feet long, which is a good amount of cable length, and it comes with a little velcro strap if you want to tidy it up. It's always a nice thing to have. And then we have the charger. Taking a closer look at the charger, this has a rectangular shape and the branding on one side. This is a hefty one. It clocks in at 340 grams on my scale, which roughly converts to 0.75 pounds. So this is a compact charger for having 4 ports and being able to produce 120 watts, and it has a length of 3.35 inches with a width and height of 1.81 inches if you have it in this orientation. So the 4 ports are found in the front, and you have 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports. This can output a maximum of 100 watts through the USB-C port. If you use both USB-C ports at the same time, it will output 60 watts each. The 2 USB-A ports can output a maximum of 18 watts each, and the total power output combined, whether you have 2 devices, 3 or 4 devices charging, is 120 watts. So this offers an intelligent power distribution that automatically changes the power output to give you the most optimal charging, depending on how many devices you are charging. So I tested this with 2 Surface Pro tablets that charge on 65 watts. As you can see with the original charger, it is charging on an average of about 55 watts. And when I use the Kovol charger, it still maintains that average 55 watts. Now when I plug in the second one, the combined power output from the charger is very close to 120 watts at roughly 115 watts. So if you have the MacBook Pro that charges on 96 watts, I believe, or any other laptop that charges on 100 watt, you will only be able to have that laptop charging and your phone if you want to make sure that you get the 100 watts out of the USB-C port. So I don't own any MacBook Pros to test out the charging rate, so I will just include Kovol's charging claims on the screen. Another cool thing about this charger is that it can clean up your power strip. Instead of having multiple cubes on it, you can just have this cable connected to it, and you can still charge multiple devices. This is a great charger to use if you like to study at Starbucks with your classmates or friends. This not only lets you charge your laptop, but also their laptop, and the best part is that it won't be obstructing the other wall socket from someone else using it. It's also good to have because sometimes the wall sockets are a bit loose in some places, or they're under the table, and if you have a heavy charger, it can slide off and drop to the ground. You can also keep this on your desk, like on the back end, or you can even mount it underneath your desk with some double-sided tape. And have like separate color cables to let you know which one is connected to the USB-C with the 100 watt output, and which one is connected to the USB-A port. Like for instance, the black one is for USB-C and the white cable is for the 18 watt. This is how I would have mine if I had an extra one to keep on my desk, since I'm going to be keeping this one in my backpack as my travel charger. So this can charge my Surface Pro, my tablet, my phone, and my headphones all at the same time, which is generally all the devices that I carry with me. And if all my devices happen to be dead, I can just charge them all at the same time and not worry about it. So overall, this charger has a practical design. It is very useful to have for group studying since it can help your friends stay charged, and it also lets others connect to the wall sockets. If you want to pick this up, I will leave a discount code in the description along with the link to it. Alright, so that concludes today's video. Thank you all for watching. Feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.